To sign up for Wells Fargo mobile banking, start by gathering the necessary information, including your Wells Fargo account number, social security number, and a valid email address. Next, open a web browser and navigate to the Wells Fargo website. Then click on the Enroll in Online Banking link. You will be prompted to enter your account number and social security number to verify your identity. Once verified, you will be asked to create a username and password for your online banking account. Choose a unique and secure username and password, and make sure to store them in a safe place. After creating your username and password, you will be asked to set up security questions and answers, which will be used to verify your identity if you forget your password. Choose questions and answers that are easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Once you have completed the enrollment process, you can download the Wells Fargo mobile banking app from the App Store on your device. Open the app and log in with your newly created username and password. You will be prompted to set up a 4-digit PIN or fingerprint ID to secure your account. The mobile banking app allows you to view your account balances, pay bills, transfer funds, and deposit checks remotely. You can also use the app to locate Wells Fargo ATMs and banking locations, and to contact customer service. To ensure the security of your account, always log out of the app when you are finished using it, and never share your login credentials with anyone. By following these steps, you can easily sign up for Wells Fargo mobile banking and start managing your accounts on the go. Remember to always keep your login credentials secure, and to monitor your accounts regularly to prevent fraudulent activity. With Wells Fargo mobile banking, you can bank anywhere, anytime, and have complete control over your finances.